Uh-oh. Alright guys, so you just saw that clip. You could hear and see on the vacuum gauge the fluctuation and the knock or something like that. I just pulled it in the driveway. I'm not sure what that knock is, but hopefully it's nothing big and we can get it fixed. Hopefully it's not a rod or anything like that. So we're going to start pulling the upper end apart. I have a feeling it might just be a rocker or something like that. I'm not even really sure, but it sucks, but it's just a part of the game, I guess. So, alright, so we moved the intake back. Check the oil, it looks normal. Looking around down there, I see a little oil, which normally there's no oil right there. So I hope maybe a head gasket, I don't know. So we're pulling this valve cover off, seeing what we can see under there. Alright guys, so I checked the spark plugs real quick. I pulled them all out, cranked the engine over. They all seem to have all the cylinders seem to have good compression. All the spark plugs look okay. I mean, it's a carbureted car, what do you expect? They're all there. I pulled off the left valve cover. Nothing really wrong that I saw. Everything looked okay. So I'm getting kind of worried. Pull off the right valve cover. Look what falls out. So we lost exhaust rocker arm. I pulled the threads right out of the head, which kind of sucks, but thank God it's not lower end. That's all I'm happy. I'm just happy it's not lower end. So whew. So I guess this thing's not gonna be it's not gonna be rocking and rolling for a little bit. That sucks, but it could have been so much worse. Alright guys, so we're going to pull the push rod. This is the first time for me looking at it. There's the guide. Set that to the side. Push rod. It doesn't look bad. We're going to probably put it on a mirror or a piece of glass and make sure it's round. But, man, that scared me there for a second. Alright guys, so for the stripped out hole, we're going to be fixing it with some easy locks. So this is pretty much just an adapter with threads on the inside and outside. So we're going to drill the hole with this specific drill bit. It tells you on here what size drill bit and what size tap to use. So we're going to drill the hole out, tap the hole, and then we're going to insert this adapter, and the inside threads match up with what the original threads would be, so the stud will screw right in there. So alright guys, so I got it all back together, set the valve lash, and got everything hooked back up, took it for a drive, runs just like it did before, runs pretty decent, so I'd say that's a sure fix for fixing that issue or any other stripped hole you have in your engine, trans, body, anything like that. So I'd recommend that fix for pretty much about anything. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a like. Stay tuned for more.